Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. And you have to get this application from the Lutin developer, launcher iOS 13. So right now, when you get this application in the search, you can just install. And in a few moments we will be able to open our launcher. And I'm going to show you how we can easily set it up. So let's open this application. Accept all of the permission. And right now, as you can see here, we got a lot of things that we can customize with this launcher. But let's set it up. So click on the home button, tap on iOS launcher 13, click to select as always. Okay, click here, tap on this notification, and as you can see, here we are with the iOS launcher on our Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra smartphone. And here we can also try to edit some widgets. When you edit it, you have to grant the permission, so click there, tap permissions, and get allow for the calendar and also for the phone. So as you can see, that's how our launcher looks. Of course, you can set up other things when you enter for the launcher. You can customize, for example, the blur effect, the animations. You can change the icon, whatever you want. So there's a lot of things that you can set up. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comment, and subscribe to our channel.